Cleaning and installation of non-return valve. Please ensure electrical supply and water supplies are isolated and water pressure is depressurized. To inspect and maintain the non-return valve, unscrew the nut in an anti-clockwise direction. Remove the nut and connection. Remove the non-return valve vertically. On inspection, please remove any debris or particles that may be visible and clean. Also clean the inside of the non-return chamber. Once clean, replace the non-return valve into the unit, ensuring the guides are aligned with the body of the controller. Once the non-return has been securely inserted, ensure that the rubber O-ring is inserted on top of the non-return valve before replacing the nut and connection. To tighten the nut, screw in a clockwise direction. Please ensure the nut and control body are securely fastened but not overly tightened. Please inspect for any leaks after completing this process. Adjustment of cut-in pressure and ampage to suit motor current overprotection. Remove the 4 screws from the external cover. Once the outer cover is removed, the second protective cover is revealed, which has a white label outlining the adjustment of the cut-in pressure of the pump and motor ampage protective overload. The dials to be adjusted are visible on the top right-hand corner and can be adjusted with the black tool provided. It's important to change each setting to the correct pump and motor performance. Removal and replacement of electronic card. Please disconnect power supply and motor cables. Remove inner cover to gain access to the electronic card. To release the electronic card, unscrew the screw on the top left-hand corner. Gently and carefully detach the 4-prong sensor plug from the electronic board. Remove the electronic card. Removal and cleaning of pressure sensor. Once the card has been removed, you can unscrew the 3 sensor screws. Detach and inspect the sensor, ensuring it's free from dirt and any impurities. Inspection of sensor body mould is also required. To ensure sensor body is clear, open the screw on the external side of the unit to allow the sensor channel to be cleaned. This can be done by inserting an implement such as a toothpick into the chamber to remove debris and particles. Assembly of pressure sensor and electronic card. Place the new sensor into the sensor mould, ensuring that the 3 sensor screws are aligned. Tighten the 3 screws in a clockwise direction. Replace the inspection chamber screw on the side of the body, ensuring that the O-ring is securely in place. Gently and carefully connect the sensor plug to the top right-hand corner of the electronic card and ensure connection is made. Place electronic card back into unit and secure with the screw on the top left-hand corner. Replace inner cover and secure with screw. Please set pressure of vessel 2 pounds below cut-in pressure. Do not fit pressure reducing valve close to control unit as it may cause water hammering. Please ensure motor ampage and cut-in pressure are adjusted to the pump and motor specifications, as well as the correct air pressure on the vessel. Reconnect power supply and motor cables in the correct terminals. Replace outer cover and refit 4 screws. Once this is completed, reactivate power and water supplies to the unit. Press Start to reactivate the unit. EPS – Rethinking Water.